Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn about the metric system, units of mass, the measurement system that's simple, logical, and used all around the world. Let's get started. We have here the international system of units. For today, we will be focusing on kilogram. What is the metric system? The metric system is a decimal or base 10 system of measurement. This means each unit is related to the next by multiplying or dividing by 10. For mass, the base unit is the gram. All other mass units are based on it. Here are the units of mass in the metric system. Our base unit is the grams. Now, to the left of the grams are decagram, hectogram, and kilogram. And to the right of gram, you have decigram, centigram, and milligram. As we move to the left, the units gets heavier. And as we move to the right, the units get lighter. How to convert between units? Because the system are based on 10, conversions are easy. Just move the decimal point. Moving the smaller unit, move decimal to the right. Moving to a bigger unit, let's move to the left. Okay, for the examples, we have here convert the following to indicate units of measurement. Number 1, 0.03 grams, you have to convert it to milligrams. So let's highlight first grams. Okay, so we need to convert grams into milligrams. So let's highlight mg. Now, from grams going to milligrams, let's count how many units to the right. 1, 2, 3. 3 units to the right. So therefore, let's write 0.03. From the decimal point, we will move the decimal point to the right 3 times. 1, 2, 3. For the missing area, you put 0. So there you go. The answer here is 30 mg. Next, number 2. 12 kilograms. You have to convert it to grams. So let's highlight first kilogram. And you need to convert it into grams. So let's count from kilograms to grams. 1, 2, 3. So again, 3 moves to the right. Let's write 12. For whole numbers, our decimal point is here. And then we move 3 units to the right. 1, 2, 3. For the missing areas here, we put zeros. Or for the spaces here, we put zeros. So our answer here is 12,000. Next, 5.5 kilograms. So let's highlight 2 milligrams. So let's count how many units from kilograms to milligrams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5.5 and then 6 units to the right from the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So from to fill up the spaces, we put zeros. So our answer here is 5,500,000 milligrams. Next, number 4. We have from grams, let's highlight grams, to hectogram or the Hg. So from grams, 1, 2. 2 moves to the left. So let's write 1.6. 2 moves to the left, 1, 2. So let's fill up with 0. Our answer here is 0.016. Next, number 5, 2.04. So let's highlight DAG and then going to DG. decagram to decigram. So let's count. 1, 2. 2 moves to the right. So let's write 2.0. Then 2 moves to the right from the decimal. 1, 2. So that is 204. Okay, so now let's apply this to a real-life problem. We have here problem number 1. A watermelon weighs 3 kilograms. How many grams does it weigh? So let's highlight again the kilograms to grams. So what we need to convert is 3 kg into grams. Okay, so let's write 3 here. Our 0.43 is here since this is whole number. So from kg, 1, 2, 3 moves to the right. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. So fill in the spaces with zeros. So there you go. The answer is 3,000. Right? For the last example, we have an egg weighs 65 grams. What is its weight in kilograms? So from grams to kilograms. Let's write 65 grams is equal to kg. Let's highlight the given, which is grams, and then going to kilograms. So we have from grams, 1, 2, 3 moves to the left. So from 65, for whole number, you have here your point, and then move 3 units to the left, 1, 2, and 3. Fill up the spaces, or the space, you have 0. So this is 0.065. Okay? That's how the metric system for units of mass works. Once you master moving the decimal point, converting between units become quick and easy. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a pro at metric conversions. For more videos, please like, follow, and subscribe to our page, Math Teacher Gon. Bye-bye!